New drivers, I got another episode for you today on learning to drive with Mr. Road Ready inside of GTA. And I'm so appreciative for all of you being so attentive, but I need a car. Get out of here. Get your fat ass out. Come on. We out. Now, she knew she wasn't supposed to be driving this little ass car, no way. Can't do no lesson in this. I was finna show him how to parallel park. Come on. Let me show y'all how to do this. So first, again, let me turn that radio off. You want to line it up with the car and make sure you're getting close to it, new drivers. And line it up, trunk to trunk, just like that. Turn that wheel towards the way you, a little bit more. Turn that wheel towards the way you going, 45-degree angle, back it up, turn it in. Damn, I was just getting there. All right, new drivers, I just noticed something about Michael's fingers. Now, what you got to notice about Michael is he holding that wheel real tight and aggressively. Right? I hate to see new drivers holding the wheel with their thumbs on there real nice and tight. You don't want to hold them like Michael do because it won't let you move how you want to. You won't flow like you need to, right? So make sure you keep those thumbs up, new drivers. If you're driving like that, you're probably going to have a hard time. Let me get back over there. You're probably going to have a hard time doing your curves and turns and stuff. It might be a little choppy. So make sure, new drivers, you're keeping those thumbs up when you got that steering wheel. Make sure you're keeping those hands at either 9 and 3 or 8. All right, we're going to go this way. Keeping those hands at either 9 and 3 or 8 and 4 to avoid that airbag going off and anything happening. And yeah, keep them thumbs up when you're driving, folks. Let me keep it rocking. All right, folks, I'm going to show you how to pull into a slant. Come on, man. Watch out. How to pull into a slanted parking spot, right? So what happens a lot of new drivers is they start off too close over here to that side, right? And it'd be kind of hard for you to get in there. So you want to make sure that you got you some space to that side. And what we're looking at, let me show you, is this outside mirror, right? Once that is reaching the lining up that you're going in, that's when you want to turn the wheel. And it's going to put you in there perfect every single time, new drivers. And then you just ease it all the way up and stop. That's how you get inside of them angle parking spots. I'm going to show y'all again. Turn it, back it up. Show y'all real quick because they on my head. Get that mirror lined up with the line that you going in. Turn those wheels towards that way. Away. Let me do it up here. Here. And you be in there every single time, just like that, new drivers. Now I got to get out of here. Away. Away. All right, folks, I got a real important good one for you today, folks. Let me show you this. But first, I need a vehicle. Let me get that one. That'll work. Come here. Come here. Damn. Come on, man. I'm trying to get my lesson on. Let me get on over here. Come on, Michael. There we go. This is the perfect one right here. This is exactly what I need for this lesson right here. So, new drivers, let me show you something about... Wait a minute. Let me turn this radio off. There you go. Let me show y'all something right quick about these big old trucks out here. Now, when you're riding next to these trucks, what you want to avoid is riding in they blind spots, right? Like this area right there, that's a blind spot. What happened with those big trucks is if they get to going over, they won't see you and you might end up crashing somewhere. So, make sure that you paying attention out. Watch out, man. You in my block. Watch out. I'm trying to do a video on blind spot and y'all blocking everything. So when you're around those trucks, new drivers, they got a lot of blind spots to the side of them, to the back of them, and especially on that right side. Because as you can see, hold on, inside of here, look, let me show you. Because now I'm inside of the vehicle. Now, when I'm talking about those blind spots, those are the areas that you won't be able to see, right? So if I look over my shoulder here, I can't see nothing that's over there. So they won't be able to see that, new drivers out there. So make sure when you are around those trucks, you're looking out for those people in the blind spots. Even like in front of you, I can't really see what's going on under. Oh shit. Come on, man. Come on, man. There you go. That's my dog. Came through for me. That's what I'm talking about, man. Let me get through here, man. There we go. So, new drivers, make sure you're looking out for those blind spots out there. It'll really save your life out there. Watch out, man. Wait's messing around. Every time I'm trying to make a video. All right, new drivers, I'm just getting out the hospital. Give me a minute. They done blew my head off. Let's get out here and learn some driver's ed content. Now, like always, folks, I am going to need me a car. Let me go ahead and get me one from the local NPC. He should come right there. Bam! Let's get it. There we go. Come here. Where did he go? There you go. I got it. All right, folks, let me show you this lesson today inside of GTA. Get out the car, no dead folks can drive. Let's take off. First, I got to turn off that radio. Here we go. Now, new drivers, when you are pulling up to these stop signs, what you want to try to avoid is pulling up side by side to cars, right? It's real weird. When you're inside of the car and you looking over, you don't want to be looking and seeing what Johnny and the rest of them doing. Keep your head ahead, right? This get real uncomfortable. You get to see people digging in their nose, eating their boogers and stuff. So just keep your head straight. You ain't got to worry about none of that. Or you could just keep you some space. I like to stop at about like right here. Keep some distance between me and the cars around me. But you definitely don't want to get caught slipping and somebody right there on the side of you. So new drivers, when you're pulling up to that intersection, just make sure that you are leaving yourself some room and you should be good to go. You kind of want to like stop aside of those gaps and then you'll be good. Away. Oh, they got me boxed in. Get me out of here. All right, folks. They be trying to box me in. I ain't having it, though. Let me get out of here so they can see what's happening. So, again, stop right about there. Nope, back it up a little bit. Don't stop next to people's window. It ain't going to be good. Watch out, man. Stupid. Again, right here. Well, y'all know what I'm saying. They on my head. Let me see it over here. Watch out. Right here. Y'all see that? That's the perfect gap where you want to be stopping at, where ain't nobody looking in your window. Don't be too close. Keep you some space, right? If you stopping like this, you're an asshole and don't nobody like you. So stay in a space where you ain't looking at folks. That's how you do it out there. And you be good.